In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your language on YouTube. Now, if you want to do this on your iPhone or Android device, then click on the link in the description down below or on the video in the card right now. But if you want to do this on PC, then keep watching and let's get into it right away. So it's actually quite simple to change your language on YouTube. All you need to do is go to YouTube, of course, make sure you're signed into your account, and I'm pretty sure you can also do this in a private window. But then next up, click on your channel icon, top right corner. That's going to launch a drop down menu with all of these different settings, right? And if you keep going down the list, you'll find language right there. Now for me, as of right now, I'm in the English language, but I can choose any of these. And let's just show you that it works as well. So let's go into Spanish right there. Okay, so as you can see right there, of course the video titles are still going to be in English, but the YouTube language itself has changed, because as you can see right there, it says like principal, tendencias. I'm not sure how you pronounce all of this, but you can see that it actually changed the language. If I then click on it again, you'll see that this has also changed. Now to change it back, you can click right there and you can then find your language. So I'm going to change it back to English. But that's how you can change the language on YouTube. Once again, if you want to do this on your phone, I'll leave the link in the description down below and also put up a card somewhere on this video. Now, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. Let me know in the comments down below if it works, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask them down below as well. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed and have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.